Introduction to file input and output in Python.
Python makes it easy to work with files. Whether you want to read data from a text file or save information, Python provides built-in functions to handle these common tasks efficiently. Understanding file input and output is essential for many applications, from data processing to logging and configuration.
Opening and closing files.
Use the OpenCong function to access files in Python. Specify the file name and the mode, such as R for reading or W for writing. Always close your files with close once you're done, or use a with statement to handle closing automatically. This helps prevent memory leaks and file corruption.
Reading from files, practical example.
To read a file, use open filename.txt R. The read method gets the whole file as a string, while readLine reads one line at a time. For example, read each line with a loop for line and file. This is useful when dealing with large files or processing data line by line.
Writing to files, how it works.
To write data, open a file in Write node with openfilename.txt W. Use the write method to add text. Remember, writing in W mode overwrites the file. To add new content without erasing existing data, use the append mode by specifying A instead of W.
Real-world uses and best practices.
Reading from and writing to files is common in tasks like saving user preferences, exporting reports, or processing logs. Always use the with statement for safer file handling and handle exceptions for better error management. With these basics, you can confidently manage file input and output in your Python projects.